back to my channel. So today's vlog is a little bit different. It's not your happy, motivated Holly here today. Normally never show this types of videos because that never really happens to me, feeling unmotivated, uninspired and stuff like that. But today is a different day because this week has been crazy and I wanted to share a little bit more with you guys because I just want you to know that not every content creator has a glamorous and beautiful kind of moment in their lives. Sometimes we just get stuck and we just don't know what to do. And feeling the way I am isn't just because of one thing, it's multiple things all mixed together. And it's not even mainly because of being a content creator, it's also the personal things and crazy things that happen in my life. One thing I want to talk about is the lighting. Fall came in like a snap of a finger. It literally went from super sunny for the week and then the next day went from gloomy, rainy and stuff like that and cloudy, and it just hasn't stopped since. And as much as I love the fall and the cold and the rain, I thought it was gonna be like kind of like a gradual transition so that way I can gradually create more content and try to figure other ways, or it would be like cloudy a day and sunny a day, that way I can still shoot content and be on schedule. But lately it's just been cloudy, 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 and I just haven't been inspired to even film because of the lighting situation. I am in an office space where there's one window, but that window is very close to the next house, which means not a lot of light can get in and only at a certain time of the day. And when there's clouds, there is no way light can even get in at all. So that is one of the reasons why life hasn't been that fun. Now this next part is regarding my face. That's why I haven't even been vlogging that much. I did have some videos I wanted to post, but I wasn't able to, and I couldn't even shoot a vlog if I wanted to. So I have been missing my YouTube videos on my schedules, but it's okay. I am back and ready to go. Another thing is that my face got really dry. A lot of the times I have eczema. My face can get damaged like this when the weather just changes from either hot to cold or cold to hot, and that sucks because lately it's been really bad because I think it got really cold. And ever since moving to the US, I got the luxury of having a heater in the house, and that actually is not the best thing for me because the dry heat will always make my face really bad. At night I won't be able to sleep as well, so that is something I've been adjusting for the past week, and that's not just for content creation stuff, that's like in general also. And another thing in my personal life is that the house has been messy. We've been wanting to organize some stuff and life has been super busy the past couple of weeks, so trying to get all that stuff cleaned and stuff like that was delaying a lot, and just having a space that is cluttered and messy is not a place that you want to be in. So there is that. And the last but not least is the upcoming busy schedule that I think I am very overwhelmed and really stressing out a little bit about because of work and everything. We have some business trips happening, which I have to plan for that, which is a crazy thing happening. And then we have some personal trips, which means we're gonna be away and won't be able to fill orders for my shop Poi and Hun. And last but not least, it just feels like a lot is going on, and along with my face getting all dried up and the weather getting all dark, it's like everything that clumps together is just making me very unmotivated. But today we're gonna fix that. My face is feeling a lot better, the house is a lot cleaner, and I am actually trying to be more hopeful and excited for the trips coming up. So today we're going to do some stuff to make myself feel better. And yeah, so let's get in. The first thing I want to do is share some stuff that I got recently in PR that I wasn't able to film, but I'm able to film a little bit today because it is a little bit sunny today. And a little bit of disclaimer, all the products that I share with you are gifted, but these opinions are all on my own. I usually choose products that I either had my eye on or things that are really interesting and I feel like it would really work well with my content. I'm happy that I'm able to choose it this way and that I can share things that I really want to try out or enjoy. So let's get in. The first product I have here is from Key Soul Care. I've heard about this for a really long time. So when I saw that you can do a video on this. I had to pick it up because I've heard really good things about this. I always look for products for my skin that is more skin-like and more natural looking because that's something that I enjoy. I just don't like the cakey look sometimes and putting too much makeup on because I just want my skin to feel like skin. And also because of eczema, I wanted to make sure that it's breathable and it has some sort of either skincare in it or just a really, really good natural kind of product. So I really have been enjoying this. I tried this out today. I love how it comes in a glass bottle and it has a really nice applicator, and it's not just a skin tint, it's also a concealer, which is super cute. They also sent me their concealer brush, which I think is okay. I usually rather use kind of like a beauty blender or beauty sponge for my makeup because it looks a little bit more natural. But yeah, so this is actually pretty good so far and I can't wait to keep trying it. Next thing that I got are from Movo. This is their wireless dual mic, which is perfect for my camera. I do shoot a lot of content on my phone, especially for Point Hun, my planner stationery shop. So it's nice to have. It has two, so I can even do one for me and one for the hubby if he wants to be in a video. And then this just plugs into my phone and I can have some good audio, which is really good because I have been using my Rode mic, which is this really puffy mic. So that's why sometimes you see it in the video and it kind of looks kind of funny. So now I have these wireless mics and I'm excited to test it out and try. Next thing I have are these cute little natural sodas. This is from United Sodas. They actually gave a variety pack, has 18 of them, I believe. I don't know how many. But here's the video over here. I did a video for them and then they sent 2 packs of your choice. And I have been looking for more healthier sodas recently because I do love drinking sweet drinks, but I shouldn't be doing that too much, especially on a daily. So I've been looking for other drinks such as like Poppy and Olipop. Those are the top that I've been loving so far. And then I've been experimenting with other ones such as this one here. So I'm excited that they sent me 2 packs to use, and I'm be trying these for the next kind of a while because there's a lot in each pack. And the last thing I want to share is not gifted. This is something I purchased during Prime Day a couple of days ago. Is this Govee LED strip light. So as I mentioned that my room is super dark and I'm going to make a difference about it. I also purchased a light, so we'll see how that one goes. But I'm just gonna see if I can boost up the lighting in the space so that I can take darker photos if I really need to. It's just right now it's really hard when there's no light in the office and it's really gloomy. So I got these ones. These ones are perfect. It says it has warm light, which is perfect for just living area in general. So we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, so since today I was able to film 2 videos and I'm doing this video here, I can change up my schedule on Notion. And I think having a schedule, putting it in a calendar actually looks really, really nice and it actually makes me feel a lot better. So I can't wait to do that and move things around. Usually the calendar is like super full. So when it wasn't full because of the lighting issues and just my mental health issues, I was feeling really sad. So now that I am kind of back, I'm excited to see how things go. Now we're gonna share something super exciting that I got recently. These are some cables that I got sent and they wanted me to show you guys on YouTube. I'll make sure to link everything down below so you can go check it out if you're interested. So these are from Magtame. These are magnetic charging data cables, which I thought were super interesting and super cool. If you're the type that doesn't like your cables to be dangling and just all over the place, you might want to check this out. So they sent me 2 to test out. One is A and the other one is C, which I'm not really sure what that means. So I'm going to check it out. So this is how it looks like right now. First off, it is braided and it's not like round, so that's really interesting. When you put it together, it's like this, like look at that. You can bring this around and it won't make a mess like your normal cable do. I usually fold mine like this and try to slip it into the pockets, but then every time I pull it out, it just like flies everywhere. So I'm super excited for these ones. These are super cool. And this one is USB-C to USB-C. I believe they also have it for lightning, but I have my iPhone 15, so I don't need the lightning one. And then we're gonna check out this other one. I believe this is the compact version, which is why it's not round, and then this one is probably a more durable version. So yeah, I think I am right. This one is round, a lot stronger compared to this one here, but obviously if you want a more compact version, you would get this one. This one, I will link it down below and also write in the description which one it is. And then this one is more round and durable. So this would be perfect if I'm using for traveling probably, or this one can be for on the go to cafes and stuff like that. So I'm excited to have these in my life. The magnets in these are not too strong, so it's easy to kind of pull apart, and it's easy to put together, but note that it's not that strong, so it doesn't like hard to pull out, which is good. So yeah, hope you enjoy this little chat about some cables. I'll link these down below for you to check out. Another way to get out of this little rut that I'm having is to kind of go back to my hobbies. Sometimes it just gets super busy and I don't get to do the things that I love to do anymore. So lately I've been getting back into block building or Lego, whatever you call it. Right now I am making this little chicken. This is something my mom purchased and told me to make for her, and I haven't done it for a really long time, so I'm gonna finish it this week. I also been wanting to get back into journaling, which I haven't done in a really long time. My last post here was from August, so that tells you a lot. I was consistent for a little bit since I got this in July, and then I haven't been doing it, so hopefully I can get back to this. And then the second thing I've been wanting to do is coloring. I think this might be a lot easier than journaling, so for the days that I really don't want to journal and take out all my stuff, I can do a little bit of coloring. I did get some markers that were available for Prime Day for from Amazon, so I picked up this little $2 coloring book from Dysel, so I'm excited to play with that probably tonight too, to see what I can do after work. Other than that, I think I haven't been out for a really long time, so enjoying the nature, doing some naturey things. I haven't been out since camping, I believe, in the beginning of September. So this week I am going to a pumpkin patch. I'm going to enjoy the nature, enjoy the cold, and maybe that will help a little bit too. So yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this random vlog and kind of like a little life update, and then kind of like how to fix a crazy time period and kind of reset and get back into things. I am deciding today that I am done being in a rut. I can make this work, figure things out. I did purchase some things obviously to fix that situation, like the lighting stuff, and my face has got a lot better, so that really helps. And it's kind of sunny a little bit, so it's like hints of sun randomly, so that's really nice to see too. And yeah, and I think it's okay to be in a little rut, to not feel good, to not be motivated, and just to take a break in general, because I thought this break, because even though in my head I was feeling really sad, I wish I was doing content, but I felt that in general I was feeling a little bit more relaxed and kind of enjoying a little moments that things are happening. So yeah, and again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!